Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this challenge. It's the wheels pick how many items I can wear on Dress to Impress. So let's just open up the wheel here and see how many items I can actually wear in this game. 6. Okay, 6 is not that bad. And the theme is gamers, so I think I'm gonna do Kaide. I don't know yet. I'm just gonna attempt to use only, what, 6 items, was it? Okay. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let me just see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That is 6, ladies and gentlemen. I would add like an ear, a headphone, and stuff like that, but I needed to create the iconic frog style here. Okay, time's up. Let's see. Okay, here's mine. This is Kaide, so adorable. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna get podium, but I tried. All right, and I did do a gamer, which is Kaide, but I don't know if these kids know who Kaide is, because she's mostly on Valorant. Well, maybe some people play Valorant here, so. Oh, I got a podium! Oh my god, yay! Thank you, Kaide. Thank you. I love you. Also, if you're watching this, I'm a huge fan. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!